Hi, my name is Ashika, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use two common accessories with your DAQ Multifunction I/O board. In front of me today, I have a BNC-2120, which has different BNC cable connections and can be used for a more quick setup. It also has features such as a waveform generator and a quadrature encoder. Now, I also have a SCB68A, which is a shielded terminal block. And inside of this, when I open the top plate, I have different screw terminals that can be used for more custom wiring configurations. On the back of this plate, you can also see that there's a diagram with the pin connections, so it's easier to understand how to wire it. Now, I also have this shielded EPM cable that we'll be using in order to make these connections to our accessories. I'm going to go over to my PXIe chassis, which has my multifunction I/O DAQ device already installed. And I'm going to take this VHDCI connector with 68 pins and connect it to the connector 0 of my multifunction I/O board, making it sure it's aligned properly and screwing it in. Now, different boards might have multiple connectors, so it's important to check the online manuals and make sure that you have the right compatibility information for the cable. I'm going to take this end of the cable and align it with this connector in the SCB68A. Then I'm going to insert it and screw it in. Now I'm going to go into the NI hardware configuration utility and specify which model that we're using. So in connector 0, I'm going to go and select the model, which is the NI SCB68A. And now that's added and we're ready to do our measurements with this accessory. Now, if we want to use the BNC-2120 instead, all we have to do is unscrew the cable from the shielded terminal block. We're going to grab the BNC-2120. We're going to align the cable connector, insert it, and screw it in, and you're actually going to see the light turn on, which verifies that it's been connected correctly. Now, different accessories and different cables might have different compatibility, so it's important to reference our online product catalogs for things like images and correct compatibility information. And that's it. Now you know how to correctly connect your accessories and cables to your DAQ device. Thank you.